Hi, Larry Coburn here with an example of portfolio, program, and project management from my career at Nike. In the mid-90s, I was a program manager in a segment of the company known as Product Creation IT. Product Creation IT had the mission of supporting all the product engines at Nike with systems and processes, enabling us to turn ideas into reality. The product engines at the time were split into three businesses: footwear, apparel, and equipment. Now those product engines all did the same types of things. They all created product line plans for a season. They generated marketing and product briefs. They designed those products. They developed and engineered those products, and they manufactured those products. The business leadership represented separate divisions within the company. So we had the challenge of managing resources to meet the prioritized needs of three separate businesses. Of course, footwear, they wanted all the resources for their projects. Apparel wanted the same, all the resources for their projects. And honestly, equipment was so new and so small by comparison. They were just happy someone was willing to talk to them. But it made little sense to hire a huge IT team of specialists in the technology we use for product creation systems for each of those divisions. And while they believed they were quite unique, from an IT point of view, we could leverage their similarities. But how to decide which projects took priority? Well, we took a triangle approach. Account management was the tip of the triangle, with a rep assigned to each of those three businesses to bring their prioritized voice to our table. Program management, another point of the triangle, helped us group projects together by similarity, not by customer. So we had maintenance of legacy systems as a program and new product creation applications as a program. The third leg was resource management or talent management. And so that was all the types of people we needed to make these projects work. Now, the account management part looked at what projects the business needed in priority order and asked, what projects do we need to go first? This gave us the portfolio for that account. Program management, on the other hand, asked, what people do those projects need? And how can I put those people together to succeed as a project? This helped us drive the programs of maintenance and new systems. Finally, resource management asked the opposite question: what projects do the people need to further their growth and their experience? Then we used a thing called the Ready, Set, Go list to manage the whole thing together. Go were the lists of projects currently underway, with resources assigned and a target completion date. The set section of the list were the projects we would be doing, but we couldn't resource yet. But as soon as resource free up from finishing these projects, we'll put them on these projects. And they had a target start date. The ready section were all the approved projects the business said they wanted, but we couldn't resource yet and hadn't prioritized. And in a way, why bother? Because before we could resource them, the priorities would probably change. So every week we met as a management team, and account managers would talk about any changes in priority affecting the list. Program managers would update on all the go projects. Is anything finishing? Is it finishing early? Is it slipping? Can we cancel something? Can we hurry something up? Then we would review the set and the ready sections to see if we could move anything further up the chain. Finally, we talked about resources. What kind of new challenges are we having? What training and development is needed to enable finishing faster or starting sooner? And so the portfolio was the prioritized list put into Ready, Set, and Go, representing our effort to give each account as much of their portfolio as possible, as efficiently and effectively as possible. The programs helped us leverage similarities and move talent around in the portfolio without worrying about competing business interests. Projects had project managers who managed their own triangle within that project of cost, schedule, and performance, with the goal of finishing projects as quickly and efficiently and effectively as possible.